Costa Rica is a dream destination. It has everything: tropical beaches, lush rainforests, active volcanoes, and incredible wildlife. But packing for this adventure can be tricky. You don't want to bring too much, but you also don't want to forget the essentials. So in this video, we'll go over the ultimate Costa Rica packing list to make sure you're prepared for every experience. Whether you're heading to the beach, hiking through the jungle, or exploring the vibrant cities, this guide will help you pack smart and travel stress-free. Let's dive in! Costa Rica's climate varies depending on the region. Along the coast, temperatures are warm and humid, while higher altitudes like Monteverde and Arenal can get surprisingly cool, especially in the evenings. That means you need a mix of lightweight and waterproof clothing that can adapt to different conditions. Here's a complete breakdown. For hot and humid areas, lightweight, breathable shirts. Look for moisture-wicking fabrics like cotton or linen. Avoid thick materials that trap heat. Quick-dry shorts and pants. Comfortable and versatile, these are perfect for hiking, exploring towns, or lounging at the beach. Swimwear, at least 2 sets. You'll want one for the beach and another for waterfalls, hot springs, or hotel pools. Rash guard or swim shirt. If you plan on surfing, snorkeling, or spending long hours in the sun, a UV protective swim shirt is a game changer. Loose, flowy dresses or lightweight outfits, great for evenings or when visiting small towns. For cooler regions and adventure activities, long-sleeved shirts and pants. These help with cooler weather and protect against mosquitoes in rainforest areas. A light rain jacket or poncho, a must-have, especially if you're visiting during the rainy season, May to November. Sudden downpours are common. A fleece or light sweater. Higher elevations like Monteverde and San Gerardo de Dota can drop to 50 degrees Fahrenheit or 10 degrees Celsius at night. For evenings and restaurants, casual but presentable outfit. Some higher-end restaurants, resorts, and casinos in Costa Rica expect slightly nicer attire. A simple sundress, polo shirt, or button-down works fine. Comfortable lounge clothes. After a long day of exploring, having something cozy for relaxing at your hotel is always nice. Packing tip: if you're traveling light, bring neutral-colored clothing that you can mix and match to create multiple outfits. Costa Rica is all about outdoor adventures, so choosing the right footwear is crucial. Bringing just one pair of shoes won't cut it. You need a few different options based on your activities. Let's break down essential footwear for Costa Rica. Hiking boots or sturdy sneakers. If you plan on hiking through national parks, rainforests, or volcanic landscapes, you'll need something durable. Trails can be muddy and slippery. Waterproof boots are ideal if visiting during the rainy season. Waterproof sandals with straps. Perfect for the beach, waterfalls, and casual walks around town. Choose ones with good grip for activities like waterfall rappelling or visiting hot springs. Casual walking shoes or slip-ons, great for exploring cities like San Jose or Tamarindo. Comfortable sneakers or breathable slip-on shoes work best. Flip-flops, optional but useful. Good for hotel stays, short walks, and quick trips to the pool. Not ideal for long walks or excursions. Now that we've covered the essentials, let's go over some accessories that will make your trip even better. These may seem minor, but they make a big difference during your trip. A lightweight backpack, essential for day trips, hikes, and carrying essentials like water, sunscreen, and snacks. A sun hat and sunglasses. The sun is intense, even on cloudy days. A wide-brimmed hat offers better coverage. Sunscreen with high SPF. Go for reef-safe sunscreen if you're swimming or snorkeling to protect marine life. Bug spray with DEET. Mosquitoes are everywhere, especially in humid areas. A reusable water bottle. Costa Rica is eco-friendly, and tap water is drinkable in most areas. Consider a bottle with a built-in filter for extra safety. A waterproof dry bag. Keeps your phone, passport, and valuables dry when boating, hiking, or visiting waterfalls. Headlamp or flashlight. Some eco-lodges have limited electricity, and night tours in the jungle require extra lighting. Now that we've covered clothing and accessories, let's talk about tech gear, health essentials, and a few extra items that will make your trip even smoother. Smartphone with offline maps. Google Maps is great, but having offline maps ensures you won't get lost in remote areas. Portable charger, power outlets can be scarce in the jungle or on long excursions, so a power bank is a must. Travel adapter. Costa Rica uses the same plugs as the US, but if you're coming from elsewhere, bring an adapter. Basic first aid kit. Include Band-Aids, antiseptic wipes, pain relievers, and motion sickness pills for boat rides. Electrolyte packets. Essential for staying hydrated, especially if you're hiking or spending a lot of time in the sun. Hand sanitizer and wet wipes. Useful for travel days and when eating from street vendors. Travel insurance. Not a physical item, but crucial in case of medical emergencies, lost luggage, or unexpected delays. Guidebook or Spanish phrase book. While many locals speak English, basic Spanish phrases can be helpful. Snacks for road trips, granola bars, nuts, and dried fruit are great for long travel days. Cash in small bills. While credit cards are widely accepted, some remote areas only take cash. Now that you know exactly what to pack for Costa Rica, here are a few last-minute travel tips. Pack light. A carry-on and a backpack are usually enough. Leave space in your bag. You'll likely buy souvenirs like coffee, chocolate, or handcrafted goods. Check the weather before you go. Costa Rica's dry season, December to April, is different from the rainy season, May to November. With the right packing list, you'll be ready for an amazing adventure in Costa Rica. So, what's the one item you never travel without? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching and enjoy your trip to Costa Rica.
All World. Live like a local.